Oh my God!
Good morning, everybody. So last night we made it into El Dorado Hills, Sacramento. This is where my folks live. Just filled up the van with water. Ben finally got some Wi-Fi here, catch up on some uploads. Went out to dinner with the family. It's morning here. About to pack up, hit the road. Got some excitement for today. Let's go. A little bit of spring cleaning here. Good as new. All right, I'm here in Sacramento with my mentor, close friend, Scott Powell. He just has got some knowledge bombs to drop.
We were talking about bands, and even the best bands in the world really only have 2 or 3 good songs. And what's great about that is if you compare it to your life, whether it's your business or your personal, you're really only going to have a few opportunities that you really need to push through and make happen. So when you identify those, you have to push all the way through and see it to completion. And if you're having fun doing it, you don't work a day in your life doing it.
Just touring through Scott's new mansion here. Check out what we found in the back. Boom! FLX Roadster. How do you like it?
I love that thing. It's great. It's an East Sacramento cruiser.
Just taking a little tour of the house here. This is beautiful on the inside, by the way. This is the basement. What? This is a basement, mind you. Holy crap.
Gotta fill this thing up. It'll take a little while.
Look at that wine cellar. I see you started your collection over here?
Oh, I got the collect. No, yeah. Everything Rome's built one brick at a time.
Check that out. This is just the basement. It's huge. That's why you gotta work hard, hustle, grind. So is this the master bedroom?
Yeah.
No way. That's as big as most people's houses. Here we got the kitchen. Immaculate. All right, just finished an amazing lunch with my mentor, Scott. So cool. And now we've rolled downtown a bit. Finally found a parking spot. And what are we gonna do now?
We're gonna do illegal shit, go the wrong way.
We're gonna use the Rampage. She's gonna wear a helmet. Be smart. It's about to pour down rain, by the way. Damn it. But let's do it. Let's have some fun. Look at that.
Safety
FLX
first.
hat. Bicycle helmet. We actually parked way outside of like the area. That's the benefit of having one of these skateboards. You can park 2 miles away, cruise in the last mile, golden. I don't recommend anybody doing much riding of an electric skateboard in the rain. You lose a lot of traction. Also just get water everywhere in the bearings. A lot to clean up, and it can reduce the life of any electric vehicle. Did we lock the car? I'll be back. Gotta go lock the van. We're in a area with lots and lots of homeless folks. Want to make sure nobody gets in the van, gets all of our stuff, our gear. Got it. Oh, it was unlocked. Oh, I'm glad I came back. I've had some friends that have lost like everything from their cars, and that's with it locked. So, all right, let's go catch Klaudia. Look who I found.
Hey, hey.
So we're gonna take this all the way to the river.
Down to the river.
Down to the river. Let's go. Oh shit. All right, I think we need to give Klaudia some direction here. So you can scoot your front foot forward just an inch, like not that much. Look at the tips of my toes. Push it as hard as you can. Like your ballerina, just push all your weight into it. Lean on that toe. If you look on your right, you'll see the Sacramento, I don't know what it's called, the Old Town Bridge or something like that. That's like the gateway to Sacramento, which is the capital of California, which is the capital of the world. This river is the biggest river in the world, something like that. There's some history here.
Dirtiest river.
It's important. This is actually true. Gold was discovered here in this very river, the American River, in 1849 or 1848. Around then, gold rush. That's why everything's gold in Sacramento. We got a lot of it here.
We're getting wet today.
That's right. So fun fact, this bridge used to be like red. Check it out up here. This bridge up here used to be red. And then the city voted to like change it to make it the icon of Sacramento, to change it to gold for the gold rush. It is a big uproar. This is what like everybody was talking about for months. Gold Bridge. Go, go, go. How do you like riding an electric bike in Sacramento?
I love it.
You love it?
Well, I got a bicycle pad. I've got so much bicycle pad.
Oh man, this rain is coming down. Definitely should not be riding the skateboards in this rain. All right, welcome to Old Town Sacramento. This town was built in like the 1500s or something. It's really old. Look on your left, there's a steamboat. I really want to go on the boat. I gotta go on the boat. Yo, oh my God. So this is the Delta King. It's a famous landmark in Old Town Sacramento. Old steamboat. It's pretty cool. Wow, we're on a steamboat. The Delta King. It's just beautiful. All right, better get out of here. Everything is restricted here, but this is quite beautiful. Plenty torque. Definitely not supposed to be skating there, but YOLO. Oh, you found a nice little dry spot here. Wow. We got a wet ride back to the car. We should roll through Old Town Sac. That's what we came here to see.
No!
All right, let's go. You got it. Check it out. This is Old Town Sac. That building was built in 1396. This one in the 1400s. This was the castle to protect the French from attacking. Klaudia, you're in the middle of the road. Klaudia found a secret tunnel. Yes! Oh yeah, look at this. You having fun? You've improved so much in the last 20 minutes. It's incredible. Yo, 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 stop! Oh my God. This is why I made you wear a helmet. You almost needed it. You guys didn't see it because I had the camera pointed at me instead of her. There's a car coming, she just went straight for it. Last minute, saw the car, jumped off.
We're good.
I thought it was the van, it's not the van. That's definitely not our van. All right, let's turn right here. Way on a one-way street. I think we see the van now, the real van. Claudia's, oh my God, look at you sprayed everywhere.
Oh my God!
Look at this.
Start from the bottom.
Oh, this is
work
disgusting.
your way up.
That's me.
Sexy.
Ladies, what's up? Check this out. This is why you don't ride in the rain.
Nasty.
It is just soaked. Completely soaked in water, people. Quick word, if you do ride an electric skateboard or something like that in the rain, like heavy rain like this, if you want to prolong the life of it, I do recommend taking like the battery box off, letting everything dry out before you reassemble it and ride it again. If you don't care and you just want to ride and YOLO, whatever, you can always just leave it, wait for it to break and buy another one. All right, Rampage is safe and sound. Let's get out of here, let's get dry. I'm here at American River College, Thomas, to meet with a guy named Tony. He's a winner of the Rampage. Trying to find him right now. He's actually a high school student. It's so wet. We just rode the Rampages. Probably not a good idea to keep riding them, but want to at least say hey, meet the dude.
Okay.
What's up?
Hey.
What's going on, dude?
Hey, man.
Good to meet you. How you doing?
Good. Oh, man.
What's going on, brother?
No good. Hey, guys.
Tell everybody who you are.
Hey, guys. I'm Antonio, also known as T'Challa in my school. You know, very known here.
Known as the what?
T'Challa. This is the Black
T'Challa?
Panther.
The Black Panther. That's a sick name.
I was like, he's here, so like, I need to hurry up and leave class. So like, I said to teacher, I have to go get some ice for something downstairs. So okay, you're good, you're good. So I ran and I didn't come back to class. So I'm like,
no
I'm gonna meet him. Just gonna meet him.
Man.
Well, guys, I am the winner of the Rampage giveaway. I am so thankful for that, honestly.
Hell yeah.
Man,
check
hey,
out what we got in back here.
Because I saw his videos and everything. So
Hell yeah.
Oh, the Rampage.
Yeah, that's the Rampage, man. If you want to try one out, man, why don't we take a couple laps in the parking lot?
Do that.
All right.
This is like a dream come true. I feel like I'm just seeing a dream right now. I can't even think straight. Oh, my friends keep saying I wasn't gonna get the board. Now I'm here, and I'm on the board. Like not my exact board, but the board. And it's just like they kept telling me not to get my hopes up, but it's here, and I just can't even think straight. I can't can't even see everything properly right now. It's oh man. This board is just like, I don't feel like I haven't woken up yet. I just feel like I've been sleeping all day. Just, I can't even think straight. This is the board. This is the best board I've ever rode on. Find me on Instagram at YXNG.Tonio.
Give him a follow, and when he gets his Rampage, especially if you're doubting if these giveaways are real or not, give him a follow when he gets his Rampage. I'm sure he'll be posting all the time. He's shredding already, day one in the rain, so I'm sure it's gonna be real good. By the way, if you want your chance to win your very own Rampage or BABYMAKER, hit the link below to enter to win, and you might win your very own Rampage, just like Tonio here.
This is so.
Is it worth it to join the giveaway or not?
It's honestly worth it, guys. If you think it's fake, stop thinking that. It's perfect. It's everything you've ever wanted in a board. It's just, hey guys, just keep trying. Don't stop. I never stopped, never gave up. I kept going for it when it's here for me, man.
Hell yeah, never give up. All right, you gotta take the outro away. Do you know what to say?
You already know. Don't know what to say. I'm like kind of speechless right now. So thank you guys for all the positivity. And it's the man right here. It's the man right here.
Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you later. So Tonio just asked me how much I bench. I was pretty proud of it. I'm working at 3 plates right now, like repping 295. How much do you bench?
3 plates already, so.
He's half my age. How old are you?
15, you know.
15 years old, and he's putting up more weight than me on bench. I'm done. Keep an eye on him. This dude is on the up and up, I'm telling you.
Life gives you good things. Just go on and accept it. Don't be negative in life, just be positive. That's all you need. That's all you need.